Now let's get into these spring twists that I did. I'm so obsessed, you guys. I found some hair off Amazon. Y'all gotta check out these spring twists. So this is what you call true spring twist when it goes from this to this. See that spring? You see this spring? Check it out. Real spring twist. To do these spring twists, what I used was this 8-pack Springy Afro Twist hair by the company ZRQ, and it's off of Amazon. These are full packs of bundled hair, and it is synthetic hair. They are 16 inches, but y'all, these is really, really long. This hair can also be used for like Marley hair, faux locks, all different types, even cornrows if you wanted to do that on plaits. But what I did is separate the hair as you see me doing here. One of those individual pieces out the bundle actually was enough for 2 individual spring twists, and I did use this rack to put the hair on. This hair rack I actually got off Amazon as well. I'll link it down below in the comment box in case you guys want like a really, really good hair rack, and you can use both sides of the hair rack as well. It's adjustable. It's just really good, y'all. Here is my progress, also showing y'all how it did not take that long for me to do these, and I did do the parts a lot smaller this time, but I made really, really great progress doing these, and they was turning out real good, real bomb. So just showing y'all how it all started. So we have 3 left. 1, 2, 3. Using some shine and jam, of course, to put in the parts and get them a little precise, straight. I'm doing random parts, but at least the lines of the part I want it to be straight, not crooked. Clip this piece of halfway. Use shine and jam to slick all this down. I kind of twist it so that it looks like this all together and it's easy to grip. I'm going to take our hair, and I'm going to start as a box braid. Okay, so start as a box braid. And then like to flip it over, and then my real hair is going to be in the middle, and what I do is I separate it into 2 pieces, and then I start to twist. Also, I use a clip just to clip the top part because I do not want it to twist. Now add some mousse. I ran out of my olive oil mousse, which is my preferred mousse, so I'm just using this to finish it off. See how it's twisting? So I'm going to re-clip it. Okay, now it's not twisting. So moving the hair around, it's not twisting, because if it twists around the roots, it can get really tight. It can be painful, and you don't want it to be painful. If you're doing your own hair, it should not have to be painful because you can feel what you're doing versus someone else doing your own hair. But we just twist it all around. It's 16-inch hair, which looks way longer than 16 inches to me. It is. However, it springs up really short. So it's giving like 10 inches when it spring up. But I didn't want really, really long twists, long hair. So this is perfect. Perfect for me. And as the mousse starts to like go away and the hair gets, feeling dry, I add some more because it's easier to twist, and also it's going to give a nice finished look by you already having mousse on the hair, and you won't have to put any extra on it when you're done with the twist. So twist, twist, twist. Doesn't take too long to twist these all the way down. It gets a little tangled. This hair is really easy to separate, which I like. So this ZRQ hair, I'll have a link down below in the description box. I got it off of Amazon. And they sent me hair before, like a year, two years ago, and I actually bought this with my own money this time. I like the hair. You get a lot of bundles, 8 different bundles, so really, really nice. And it's easy to separate the hair. It's soft. It's not, it gives you that. My phone ran out of storage, but we're back. So twist this all the way to the end. Ooh, to the end. Okay, once you get to the end, I kind of like do like this and just cut off the excess. And we have a spring twist. All right, so I have 2 more to go. So remember, we start out as a box braid. Your hair is going to be the middle piece, and then this hair will be the 2 end pieces. So that's how you get your 3 pieces of hair. All right, so we braid down maybe about 8 times, and then I kind of like turn around to make it more easy for me because I'm doing my own hair to the front. And I have my real hair in the middle. So let's separate this. All right, so you guys see, this is my real hair. So what we do is we separate it into 2, and now we just have 2 pieces of hair, and this is where we start to twist. So again, I put a clip here so that this does not twist around and hurt my head, and just do a regular 2-strand twist. You don't have to do a Senegalese type of a twist, any of that. Remember to add some mousse at this point. I recommend, you don't have to, but I recommend so it can be softer and it sets as you're doing it. But again, you don't have to do Senegalese type of twist, because with this hair, it's not going to unravel like it would with regular like connector lawn braid hair. So a simple twist. I do like this though throughout the twist, so that it doesn't become too loose once you let it go. So just a little like tug on it like that is fine, and you can kind of do that as you're twisting. And that's basically it, y'all. Twist it all the way down, cut off the excess, and you're done. It's really simple. It's the easy 1, 2, 3 step. I really love this hairstyle. I use this. I have 1 pack of hair left. Excuse me. I have 1 bundle of hair left, and so that means I use 7 packs. Which before I didn't use that much, but I did these the parts smaller than I did before. So I was expecting, and I wanted it to be nice and full, especially since they are shorter twists. But I really like this hair, and I do recommend it. Again, I will have a link down below, because I don't like, watching videos and then you want to find something if you don't have a link down below, or it'd be like just too much stuff in the description box and you gotta search for it or go through all these links. Stop doing that, please. I want to make it easy access for you guys, so yeah. All right, so we're almost at the end. Twist, twist, twist. It's getting a little hard, so I'm adding a little bit more mousse because the hair was getting a little rough. Not hard, but rough on my hands. Once you go from having like that smooth texture hair from you put mousse on it, and then all of a sudden the mousse is like kind of dissolved away, and then you literally start to feel the normal texture of the hair. It's like I need to keep sliding on through my hands. So that's why I just add mousse all the way down. All right, and this is real time, as you guys see. What took me like 2 minutes to do this whole thing from start to finish. 2-3 minutes, something like that. All right, and we're done. Cut off this excess. You see that? Just cut that right off. And boop, we got a spring twist, y'all. Look at that. So one left to go. Last one. Start off as a box braid. know why I do that. Every every other time. Oh my gosh. I twist my hair around first and then put the mousse on. That's what I get for switching up at the last minute. Oh my gosh. Separate the hair. Try to do it evenly also into two. Add my clip. And then get the twist in. So sometimes I'll twist down a little bit and then I'll like take it off to see, let go a little bit to see if my real hair is going to like poke out or anything. Because if so, then I need to take it out and fix the separation that I did. Maybe put more on one side or whatever. But this one, as you see, I'm letting go and it's still just regular spring twisting. So we're going to keep on going. Look how long this is, y'all. This is crazy. The way it spring up and just become so short. This is more than some 16 inches. I'm sorry. It go from being this, it go from being this long, y'all, to just short. All right, so it's official. We are all done. Yay, me. It feels so good to be done. It's crazy though. Look how long these are. This is more than some 16 inches, y'all. Look at this. And this is the twist. Nice and full. And as y'all can see, I did really simple parting. So really simple parting. Just a little baby hair situation. Not too much, because I didn't leave a lot out. And I used the EBIN style gel. And that's it. Wig will do too much. Wig will get carried away. Cause honestly, I'm not going away. But just a little something. Okay. So with these spring twists, you can do so much with it. Of course, you can just weigh them down. You can weigh them up. I do have a video when I did these the first time ever on like how you can style them, just a few little hairstyles, but I personally like to wear them down, and these are like really the biggest I've ever did, because I used to be able to, let me see if I can do it, put them all up. Whoop now. Okay, so I can't get them all up, but I used to do like a cute little bun situation, but these things is, I don't think. We have a button. So this is like, it looks like a live spring twist. And as you can see, these are really springy. They're not just that 2-strand twist wrap look. these are springy. So if you want true spring twist, then you need to get this That Hair by ZRQ. The Afro Spring Twist Hair. I think I'm saying it right. It's like down below, y'all. But this is the springiest I've ever had. I used to use the Express Twist hair, and I've never got them this springy looking. So I feel like I got some true spring twist in my hair right now. Real talk. So the hair goes from this. The hair goes from this long old piece to bouncing all the way up here. That's a spring twist. Now that's a spring twist. And here, y'all, I tried a cute little hairstyle, half up, half down, 2 little cute ponytails in the front. Really, really cute, something different. I don't know what I just did, but it's a cute little butterfly fold in bun situation, and I like it. I don't know how I was looking in the back, but yeah, it's cute to me. Nice little updo instead of the regular ponytail or regular, wrap around bun effect or whatever, not bun. Just a little, I don't know, fold tucking situation. I didn't do it on camera, but I put it up. Y'all know what I did, but here you go. I can't even explain it, but here you go. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, these spring twists are very versatile, a really, really great protective hairstyle. So you can put these with your kids' hair, adults' hair, all different ages can get this hairstyle. It's not harsh on the hair. I can move this around, even though it's not knotless, they don't hurt because it's not like a harsh box braid at the root. So do recommend these. They have color hair, all types of different colors that you can do with this. I do like this natural 1B color that I have in my hair. So everything that I use will be linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs up this. I'm back with more hair content, y'all, and I did the spring twist again. I'm super proud of myself. Go me. Bye, y'all.